Alright team, what's up guys? Sorry I'm running late today. Still dealing with kind of stomach issues. What's up guys? What's up Joel, Trader, Chaz, Abe, Eric? Good morning team. Yeah, so I'm running slow. It's alright. Alright guys, it's okay. How's your ear? It's alright. Last 2 days I felt better, for the most part. I'm a little bit late today, but you know, we'll figure it out. We gotta get all this stuff straight. Alright, like I said, I'm running a little bit late today. See what we got. There we go. Alright, so we got SONN. It's dipping down a little bit. ADMA, that one doesn't look bad either. PTI. THMO looks okay, so we can watch that one. Alright, so yeah, let me make this list. Like I said, this is like the first thing I'm doing. We got SONN. We're at 375 for that one. And then ADMA looks good too. Even though it's dropping, it still looks solid. We could also watch like PTI. Maybe that one's pushing up. IBIO maybe. TRBN, we got TTOO. That's about it. Alright. That's about right. Alright guys. What's up Emmanuel, Joel, Diego, Wizo, Sam, Annette, DS, Bobby, Legit, Eric, Trader. Good morning team. Alright, so we can look up the catalyst for some of these. AMC moving too. Let me look at the catalyst. Sorry, I'm running a little bit slow today. I don't see anything for SONN yet. This is Sonnet Therapeutics. My son's yelling downstairs. But yeah, so this is Summit Biotherapeutics. They provided fiscal third quarter business and earnings update on the 15th. So a little bit over a week ago. Nothing since then that I'm seeing right now for SON. And if you know the specific catalyst for this, let me know. We also got ADMA, which is gapping up from 250s all the way to $6, even back down to 330s. And yeah, we can look at the daily chart here, and it all kind of looks, looks like it's going to fail eventually, but who knows. With ADMA specifically, though, here, this is a plasma processing company, and it is sitting right around 340s right now. So yeah, they ADMA is ADMA Biologics, and they were rallying after the US FDA authorized the emergency use Sunday of convalescent plasma for the treatment of hospitalized COVID-19 patients. It says, quote, based on the scientific evidence, the agency said investigational convalescent plasma may be effective in treating COVID. So a few of those COVID stocks, ADMA up. Yes, another one, XBIT, pushing up too. Not as active though. We got PTI here. PTI starting to rip a little bit. This is proteostasis. Oh, that kind of makes sense. Alright, so it's plasma therapy. Okay. I appreciate it. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm running a little bit slow today. Not really feeling the greatest. Slacking a little bit. But yeah, PTI still trying to push up. It's at 160. It's only gapping up 30 cents here. We also have KMDA. KMDA gapping up from 10 to 1240s. Right, this is KMDA. Yeah, and they announced the results from the first and only U.S. post-marketing pediatric trial of human rabies immune globulin, and the study did meet its primary endpoints. So positive data come out for KMDA. We also have THMO, which doesn't really look bad either. This is Thermogenesis, and they are lower after bad second quarter results and worse than expected sales results, and that came out on the 17th. Something new and recent came out for this one though. No, it's not that. It's not COVID. I've been tested twice for COVID, and I'm negative both times. This is most likely, I don't know. I've been kind of struggling with it for months. It's most likely Meniere's disease, to be honest. So it's probably Meniere's disease, but I'm not 100% sure. I went and got my ears checked. My ears look fine. They didn't see any. You're supposed to see like crystals if it's benign paradoxical vertigo. It's not that. And so it's probably Meniere's disease is what I'm guessing. It's either that or something worse, realistically. But I feel better, and so whatever it is, I'm starting to feel better. But it took a long time. You guys know how often I put out videos and stuff, and so like I haven't put out anything in a week. You know I'm sick, you know. Yeah, for sure. I appreciate it, Hunter. Thanks, man. CGIX. Yeah, CGIX is going crazy. I completely missed this one. It's gapping up from 290 basically all the way to 860s. Yeah, it's gapping up from like 289 to 920s. Crazy parabolic move though. It's with the actual catalyst here. This is Cancer Genetics. They combined with another company to remain listed on the NASDAQ. They signed a definitive merger agreement here for second quarter revenue at 1.4 million. Second quarter, this was on the 14th. They dropped second quarter results and then they merged today. So it's a merger. What's up, Diablo? What's up, man? Alright, but yeah, that's what we got today. We got some interesting levels. Like I said, I'm moving a little bit slow this morning, so I apologize. Started the stream late too. You know, I'm slacking. Alright. I'm still trying to figure out what broker to go to. Do I think CGIX is short? Not necessarily. To be honest, I don't know what this one's going to do. It's already up, 100 and something %, and so it's just up a lot already. And so realistically, how far higher is it going to go? If it goes parabolic, which it could, I mean, it's an acquisition, Is it the best catalyst? No. But is it the worst? No. It's showing a lot of gains from it. Does the crossover play work for shorting? I'm not sure. We'd have to wait and see. I've never really shorted on it. I'm mostly just long traded. My thoughts on Tesla. Yeah, I'm in the process of switching over to TradeStation. I haven't done it yet. Because, here's the thing, right? If I just transfer my funds, then I'm not going to have anything to trade on as I switch. And so instead, I'm putting some more money. I'm putting some money in the TradeStation, and then I kept some money in Thinkorswim. And then that way I can trade on what I have on Thinkorswim, and then still trade on TradeStation when the money settles. And so that's what I'm trying to do. Alright, but yeah, I'm good. Like I said, guys, forgive me, I've just been sick. It's been a rough few weeks. Like I said, my dad says that I have that Meniere's disease runs in my family, and Meniere's is bad. It's not as bad as it could have been. It could have been really bad. It could be like a multiple sclerosis, which would be terrible. But Meniere's disease runs in my family. It's just like an issue with the middle ear, the inner ear. It can cause hearing loss, long term. Usually it's never full-blown hearing loss, though. It's usually just in one ear, a little bit of loss in one, so that'll be alright. And basically I just gotta deal with random bouts of vertigo. But if I do have it, it must not present itself very much because, I don't know. CGIX starting to push. We'll see what happens over $10. That's what I'm really watching, is over 10. And we got the 750 level here too. Maybe watch that. And then we got $5. Those three levels, I mean, realistically, if we give them back, those are the levels we're going to go to. And what do I think of Tesla? I mean, I'm not going to encourage that, Brandon. That's actually, but yeah. Tesla. Man, Tesla, after, what did they do? They did a split a few days ago, right? It was a split. It was a reverse split, right? They increased the value of each share, which means they took shares away from the float. Pushed the price up. Alright, so yeah, Tesla price is splitting this week. Alright, it's not going to split until, so it's a 5-for-1 stock split. So it's a regular split. Okay, so what are they gonna bring the price down to? 400. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. That's on the 28th, they said, is the split for Tesla. It's on the 28th. They're adding shares to it, my bad. I always get them mixed up. It's not really my wheelhouse, dealing with stock splits and stuff, but I do get them mixed up. Alright, so, yeah, okay, so they're adding shares. I forget, adding shares is diluting them. So this is just going to... make each share cheaper. So yeah, what are they gonna make? $400 a piece. What are the futures like? Like I said, guys, I'm running a little bit slow the last few days. Last week, you guys know me. If you guys know my channel, you know how often I put out videos, and so I apologize that I've been kind of slacking. Like I said, we think it's Meniere's disease. I've been to an ENT. ENT checked the pressure in my nose, checked my hearing, said my hearing's perfect. Checked the pressure in my nose, said there wasn't any. Checked the pressure in my ears, said there wasn't any. And so he basically gave me a prednisone prescription and said if that doesn't work, I gotta go see a neurologist. But I think it's working. I feel better. But man, here, hold on. Alright, I already gave my kids a hug. Alright, let's look at Can we get a link to Mike's Discord? Yeah, I got you. Here. Yeah, well, I don't know. They checked. Yeah, I mean, that's why I took the week off. I don't think it was stress related. I think it's sinus related is realistically. It's either sinus related or it's like acid reflux related. Cisco. But yeah, so the market's up. We're up to 342s. The high prior to today was at 339.70. So we are like over highs that were formed way back in February. So we are up, gapping up really nicely here. We're really breaking highs as we gap up here. So we'll see what happens for the overall market. I can read some catalysts specifically for the market. I'm going to quote this, and this is from MT Newswires. It says, quote, stock futures were also in positive territory with market sentiment brightening after the US FDA approved the emergency use plasma treatment for COVID-19. There are also media reports that the Trump administration is pushing the agency for fast approval of AstraZeneca's, which is AZN's pandemic vaccine, and in clinical trials. There are no major economic data releases for today. Aside from that, we got Apple is up after their South Korean unit has proposed revising unfair terms with mobile carriers as part of a move to clear antitrust claims against the company. Reuters reported today. They're also investigating allegations that Apple Korea abused its dominant position by forcing mobile carriers to pay for advertising and warrant repairs. They proposed a warranty. In commodities, crude's up about 1%. U.S. oil fund is up 1.1. Natural gas is up 2.2. U.S. natural gas fund is up 2.2 as well. So everything's up pretty big. Market's solid. We'll see what happens here. Alright guys, but yeah, market's up. CGIX making pretty big moves in pre-market. This was an acquisition, I believe, or a merger of some sort. We tried to break the whole dollar of 10 and couldn't, so now we got that high right at there at 1036. We might try to break. What do I think of Kodak, Cisco? Kodak, I mean, Kodak's just Kodak. Pump last few weeks, pump and Kodak. It's done now. You know, who knows when we'll see this one again. This is just kind of how it goes, though. You get pumped up, they fail, they're right back where they started, and you know, some people made money from it. Like I said, I didn't make money from it, but the volume's okay. It's not great or anything. It's not like it's incredible volume right now, so we'll see what happens, but not really loving that. We'll see, though. Alright. Alright, and yeah, like stuff I'm really watching right now, ADMA, right at 342. We'll see if this one breaks highs. We got the, oh no, that's the back testing. We don't want that. We want to remove that and then add the crossover play here. So this one's kind of setting up. We'll watch it. Watch that. We'll see what we get at the open. How you feeling, John? You don't look so well today. I'm okay. Like I said, I've been battling vertigo, nausea. I don't know what it is. Like I said, Meniere's disease runs in my family, and I've been getting some ear pain with it, like in this ear right here. So maybe it's Meniere's disease, but I don't know. But yeah, I'm not 100% for sure. Ironically, I learned coffee's not really great for it either. So I'm trying to avoid coffee too. But yeah, we got ADMA looking alright. We're watching ADMA, we're watching SONN. Those two specifically. So we got ADMA, looks alright. Setting up for it. And then we got SONN, which same thing, kind of setting up for it. We need a little bit of a drop before the open. We need this white line right here to stay above the 26, or we need this 26 SMA white line to stay above the 12 EMA, this blue line, and that way we get the crossover at the opening bell. Yeah, I'm alright. CGIX. Yeah, we can watch CGIX. Like I said, my three watches are ADMA. At this point, we got XTNT pushing up too. We'll see if this one maintains or if this one sets up for it. It's still not terrible necessarily here. Like, we still might get some moves that I'm kind of watching for XTNT. It just needs to drop a little bit and set up the 12 EMA needs to get underneath the 26 SMA. It needs to hold that way as well. So we'll see. It's kind of a coin flip right now, I think, on whether it's actually going to set up for it or not. And we'll just wait for it. THMO. Yeah, I was watching THMO earlier too. The volume's just not that good on it, but we are kind of setting up for it too. This one is Thermogenesis. Nothing recent come out for this one today yet. BNTX. We could look at that one too. Not enough volume with it though, really. Mostly I'm using trade ideas for my scanners here. Alright guys, we got about 35 minutes left until the opening bell. About 35. Alright. But yeah, like I said, XTNT, it's okay. We are getting the push up a little bit here, but realistically we need this to drop and set up. Now we can watch the pre-market high at like 170s. It's the only level. Maybe this level at 140 here too, and maybe 150, I guess. But those three levels, those are important. And then, like I said, we got ADMA, we got SONN, both setting up for it. So we'll watch both of these. And then we got TTOO, which is setting for it as well. We're at 164s, and we'll watch this one too. We'll see. They're not perfect yet. We gotta wait for them. Yeah, IBIO maybe. This one maybe. I don't know what the catalyst is for this one, but maybe. You know. Nothing recent came out for IBIO except for on the 10th. GEVO, just a pump from last week. I'm not saying it's not gonna eventually rebound. I'd watch it over 120 right here maybe, but who knows, we'll see. XTNT. Yeah, we still got like 30 minutes, so we're still good. XTNT's moving a little bit. It's on the scanners. It's still a little bit too high for me though. Let me see. Yeah, we still need a downward move. CGIX. LPCN. We got PTI too, but less favorable, I think. We got Party City, PRTY, and TTOO. I forgot about this one. And we can look at the catalyst for this one too. This is T2 Biosystems. I don't see anything new out on this one either. So let me know what you guys think if you want to look at something. A lot of people talking about XBIT, I guess. Or CGIX. SYN? Yeah, we can look at SYN. Let me see. Yeah, we got LPC and we'll see. Like I said, guys, I'm not really feeling the hottest today. I'm still a little sick. Watching CGIX, 4 top watches. Let me know what your 4 top watches are for today. Mine are this. Maybe THMO. Maybe THMO. Maybe. Hey, I appreciate the sub, Rosalita. Thank you. I appreciate it. CGIX might be setting up for it. Like I said, guys, I'm running a little bit slow. Still sick. Not really feeling the hottest still, so probably gonna have a short day today. I'm still looking at ADMA, but it bounced up a little bit. Look at ADMA right now. Thank you. Like I said, guys, forgive me if I'm slow today. Not really feeling the hottest. Still not feeling the greatest. Yeah, I mean, we got a few crossovers, but nothing too crazy. I usually look for it past after the opening bell anyway. I don't know, man. The hurricanes might not even hit me. They might hit me, but the hurricanes might not hit me either. Let me see. I don't think I'm gonna get hit by the hurricane. I might though. You know, it's plausible that it does. I haven't seen what I haven't seen where they're actually going. Okay, we got Marco. I wish it told me where it was going. But no, we're straight. We got food. What's up, Yobon? Yeah, I'm watching ADMA. We'll see. I'm watching SONN. We'll see about that one too. XTNT, a few other ones. So we got a few that are kind of setting up. But we gotta wait for them though at the open. Like one that was actually really good was ADMA, and a few people mentioned it, but it's in pre-market, and one of the things I gotta do is just wait for pre-market to be over. Before I trade. I appreciate it, Hunter. Thank you, man. Yeah, I got a lot of videos on the different strategies I use. KTS earnings. Still watching XTNT. Yeah, I'm watching ADMA, XTNT, SONN. Some of them aren't quite setting up for it yet, but we might get the setup. XTNT is the most recent one that's kind of setting up for it. It's not the best. SONN either. It didn't really move like we wanted it to, but we got a bunch to watch today, so one of them will at least work, I think. No, this is trade ideas. Yeah, it's trade ideas. Sorry. Like I said, we need this to cross. We need this light line, this 26 SMA to cross underneath this blue line for it to set up. If we don't get that, it's not setting up. These aren't Weeble, these are Thinkorswim. Weeble is here. I might as well get my Weeble out. This is Weeble. And all you gotta do is go to stocks and trade. Stocks is where you're gonna find your stocks, and then you can zoom in, out. Like if I wanted to look at what's moving, SONN today, Sonnet Biotherapeutics, we can take a look at it. We can see recent news here. We see basically everything. See? So that is Weeble, but like I said, we're juggling all of them today. Yeah, good morning. Alright, let's do this. Did it? I don't know, man. I'm not paying it. Honestly, I don't feel good. Like, it's weird, man. I've been to an ENT. They're like, nah, nothing's wrong with you. I've been to a regular doctor. They're like, nah, you're good. But it's like, the best way I can describe it is I feel motion sickness when I shouldn't. Right? Like, if you've ever had motion sickness in a car or like on a boat, if you ever gotten seasick, I feel like I'm always seasick. You know, I don't know how to describe it. Alright. XTNT, yeah, I'm gonna watch XTNT. It's kind of setting up. Wait, what is it? XTNT? Yeah. It's setting up, and the reason it's setting up is because we do have the 26 SMA above the 12 EMA. We got a little bit of a dip there, and we're below the VWAP, so we are kind of setting up for it to a certain extent here. It's not the best, but we are setting up for it there, so maybe we'll get it. We'll see. We got about 20 minutes. I'm still watching SONN2, so we got XTNT, and then we got SONN. This one's too high right now, we need it to drop, but we can watch this one as well. What else we got? BRQS is popping up on the scanners. What is this one? Alright, so we do have BRQS here with some volume coming in. This one's not really setting up for it at all, but we do have this one coming in. Yeah, well, he gave me like meclizine or whatever it is. I don't know what it is, but I don't take it because it just makes me sleepy, and I don't want to be sleepy all the time. You know. So like they gave me some motion sickness medicine, but it's just gonna make me tired, and I don't want to be tired all the time. Yeah, we'll watch IBIO. This one's kind of, you know, we'll watch this one too, but it's a little bit too high now. But we can watch it. And then we have TTOO. That one's still not bad either. Yeah, it's okay, Tony. Yeah, I've been actually taking vitamin D supplements. So I have been taking vitamin D. That's one of the things. It says vitamin D helps. I've also been on omeprazole, which is like Prilosec, but it doesn't quite work that good. Yeah, we got IBIO. I'll watch this one. I'll watch TTOO too. So these two. Yeah, but some of these might drop before the opening bell. Even though they've crossed over now, they might drop still. Just because they're not quite set up for it yet doesn't mean we're not going to get a drop. Sometimes we'll get like a drop at the opening bell, and then a reversal, and then we'll get the crossover there. And so we can still watch a lot of these. Like ADMA, it's not set up for it yet, but if we get a big drop before the bell or at the bell, it'll still set up for it. So we basically just have to wait for those drops. XSPA is pushing up pretty big right now. This is Express Check, and they beat the time barrier in testing. Apparently, they said they did at least, but who knows? Yeah, no, I mean I've been tested for COVID twice. It's negative. This is something to do with my inner ear. Whether it's Meniere's disease, which is plausible, that's probably the most plausible thing. And then even if it was like something super bad, like multiple sclerosis, these are kind of the symptoms for that. But even if it was that, it would all be related to my inner ear in some way or another. And so that is probably what this is, but it's hard to tell 100%. Hey, good luck, Amy. No, we just XTNT. Well, the big thing is what we get at the open, right? We just need this 26 SMA line to hold above the 12 EMA. If we can get that, then we're good. We don't have to worry about it. So we do have that, but we need this line to stay like this. If not, then it's not going to work. Alright. So yeah, right now we're watching XTNT. We could still watch SONN too, but we got XTNT, which is kind of setting up for it. ADMA maybe. We could get that, and then SONN. But we also have PTI too. PTI is not really quite set up for it, but we do have that one as well. Alright, but yeah, XTNT, SONN. We'll watch this one, ADMA. None of these are perfect yet, but if we get some drops in the open, they'll set up. What else we got? And like I said, we can look at the SPY itself, the overall market itself, and see. We're not doing that bad there either. Does anybody know where the hurricanes are actually going now? Because I feel like we might be getting hit. I haven't checked it this morning yet. Yeah, we'll see if Thinkorswim works this week. That's what matters the most. We'll see though, you know. Yeah, well, every trade idea is stream is gonna have a little bit of a delay. Everyone, this one doesn't have much of one, but every trade idea stream is gonna have one. Well, I'm in Houston. And like, this is my graph. Like, you guys, people can say whatever they want about my trading, right? But like, here's my graph. Last 2 days have been certainly tough. But like, this is my monthly graph. Is it the prettiest? No. Does it get the job done? It does. Is it profitable? It is. You know? And so this is my Thinkorswim graph. This is when they started having issues. So that's what ultimately made me change, because I had a really pretty graph leading up to that point with this system, but last few days hasn't been great, you know, it hasn't been great. Y'all think I should be worried in Houston? MOHO. Alright, we'll watch it. Like I said, there's a few that are really setting up. When I'm looking at gappers, I'm just looking at stocks that have put in voluminous moves that enough people are actually watching them. So we got XTNT, we got SONN, we got BRQS. Also, guys, you want to help me feel better? Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Show support for the content we put out. We put out live content every single day for free. You want to appreciate stuff we do here? Hit that subscribe button, guys. We do this live every single day on YouTube. Everybody's doing it. All the cool kids are doing it. Hit the subscribe button. Get peer pressured into hitting that subscribe button. I appreciate it if you do. Nah, our power's never been out. Like, we've been hit by a bunch of hurricanes here. Luckily, we have a pretty high elevation house, and power's never gone out on us. Is it? Alright, look at BRQS as I'm talking. Look at BRQS. Just rip here. Hey, I appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Like I said, hit that subscribe button, guys. Shout out to Christian. Shout out to X. Thank you, team. I appreciate it. BRQS is breaking highs, though. We are getting a few high breaks here. ADMA is also set up for it now. ADMA. BRQS is up over, it's at 137 right now. Let's see what we got. This is Bork's Technology. They received a purchase order for the US 15 million point of sale devices in India. So a big order coming in for this one. Yeah, I'm in Houston. I mean, I'm not in Houston. I'm in North Houston, burbs, is where I'm at. So like, I'm a little bit north of Houston, which is probably a little bit better. But I'm close enough. I'm within 40 minutes, 30-40 minutes of Harris County. I'm right outside of it though. Just wonder where it's gonna hit. Alright, so yeah, Hurricane Marco is heading straight for us. Yeah, if we're gonna get hit, that's the one that's gonna get us. Marco ain't looking that great. That ain't good. Yeah. CGIX dropping. So this one's setting up now too. So at this point we got CGIX, we got SONN, we got ADMA. These three are both setting up, so we get the crossover play at the opening bell. These might look good. Hey, well, stay safe though, Sean, because Marca is heading straight for us, bro. Somebody knocking on the door. XT&T, yeah, we'll see about it. It might look, it might set up. We'll have to wait for it. We are setting up with the moving averages, but whether it's going to open up strong is another story. At this point, we got XT&T, we got ADMA, and we have there's one more, TTOO. All three setting up for it. So we'll wait and see, but that's what we got right now. Build a pucker, stay safe. Yeah, maybe, bro. Maybe. XSPA. Yeah, XSPA is still ripping this morning. It still looks good. I mean, so this was reported. Yeah, we're about to get hit. See, the good thing about it, I'm not saying it's good. I got family that lives all in Louisiana, right? So like my whole family's in Louisiana. But it looks like it's going to hit Louisiana first. And then kind of drag on to Houston, which is going to slow it down. Like that's going to make it slow down, and we'll be alright. But it's probably going to hit land in Louisiana first, which will slow it down before it really gets to me. Oh, if it does hit Houston, I mean, I don't know. Looks like Tuesday. It looks like tonight. According to the it's gonna hit Houston for sure. But what I'm saying though is that it's probably gonna hit land in around Grand Isle first. So it's probably gonna hit Grand Isle first, and then it's gonna come over here towards Houston and hit Galveston and Port Arthur and you know, all that stuff. We're just north of it, so we'll probably get hit, but it's gonna slow down before it gets to us. All right, so yeah, we got SON in here. This is one. We got ADMA. This is two. We got XT&T as the third one we're watching, and then I think TTOO is the fourth one. All four of those are setting up perfectly for right now. We'll see if we actually get the crossover play at the opening bell, but those four stocks are setting up for it. We'll wait and see though. And like I said, y'all want to make me feel better, hit the subscribe button. Do it now. You know, I don't have the energy to really sell it to y'all today, so like I'm just gonna have to trust that y'all are gonna hit the subscribe button, and I appreciate it if you do. Alright guys, we got 4 minutes until the opening bell. Alright. We're gonna see, you know. Hey, I appreciate the sub, Dragon. Thank you, man. Alright, so yeah, like I said, we got a few different ones setting up. We got about 4 minutes left until the opening bell. Good luck, guys. Again, if you know me, you know how I usually am. I'm not really feeling that hot today. So, I'm a little bit slower. I'm a little bit less enthusiastic today. I'm just trying not to get sick. So, wish me luck. It's why I haven't put out videos the last few days. I've just been sick. Alright guys, ADMA, yeah, I'm watching ADMA. Like I said, I got a few of them here. ADMA, TTOO, SONN, and XTNT are all setting up for it. So we're gonna watch those 4 at the opening bell. I know I can do like wax candles too. Hey, no stress. Yeah, maybe Charles. I'll have to check that out, bro. Yeah, SONN, we'll watch it. We'll see. Yeah, we're getting the crossover a little bit too much here, unfortunately, for both of these, SONN and ADMA. We'll still get some crossovers, I'm sure, but these are a little bit too early. I'm going to start getting everything ready to actually trade, though. Yeah, look at SONN and ADMA rip up before the opening bell. It looks like I'm going to miss those. Looks like they're going to happen just a little bit before. Alright. Alright, I'm ready. Man, everything's ripping. ADMA, SONN. They're all ripping before the opening bell. BPTH? I need to refresh these scanners. These are frozen. Sorry, guys. This one's still working. Pinned. Here we go. Alright. Alright, we got a SONN, a little bit too late, unfortunately. This one happened in pre-market, so it didn't really set up. We got IBIO that we're watching. TTOO maybe. Alright, there's the bell. I don't think so. I don't think TD Ameritrade charts. My charts aren't messed up, at least. You can let me know if yours are, if mine aren't. Kind of looking at IBIO too. TTOO, IBIO. CGIX is ripping up here. Maybe this one. If we can get a move up, but we need to wait for it. So we got CGIX, TTOO, IBIO maybe. Still waiting. Nothing for this one. CGIX is the one showing up on the scanners though. So we are getting some moves on CGIX. Yeah, like I said, I'm in the process of switching from TD. Yeah, a lot of people saying there Thinkorswim is down. Yeah, mine hasn't frozen yet, but the stocks aren't really moving. But we're still kind of working here for me. My CGIX is like I can see it moving at least. So we're kind of working. I'm just gonna leave this one up. I still have TTOO in here as well. Nothing yet for it though. TTOO, ADMA, TRVN maybe. Everything's dropping though. Alright, we are getting a reversal here for CGIX though. Alright. Still waiting for it though. Nothing yet. Looking at TTOO, ADMA. CGIX recently broke highs, and so there is that. And so you can probably watch that. CGIX just recently broke highs. Yeah, bro, this has been going on for Thinkorswim for the last 2 weeks. It's really the reason I'm kind of switching too, but yeah, I don't know what to say about Thinkorswim. Mine are okay today, but still looking at IBIO, TRV, and TTOO. CGIX is the big one pushing. Should I leave this here though? Probably, right? CGIX ripping up, it's at 850s. So we are getting some moves there for CGIX. Hey, well, yo, guys, you want to go to Webull? I got a link for you. If you want 2 free stocks, if you sign up, which means like you have to link your bank account, because they're not going to let you just create a bunch of fake accounts and just try to manipulate free stocks, right? But if you sign up and link your bank account, you don't have to deposit anything. You get a free stock. If you deposit $100, you get another free stock. So if you sign up, you get a free stock. You deposit $100, you get a free stock. You want to help support your boy here and help support your channel. You want to make me feel better when I'm sick. Try to get a free stock. Like I said, I got AMT, which is like a $250 stock last week, and so I did get lucky and get like a dope expensive stock. If you want to check it out though, there's the link for that. Yeah, I don't see anything right now. I'm looking at IBIO, ADMA. I'm looking at TTOO. We're gonna see if we get a reversal in 3 of those. We also have MWK, which is pushing here. MWK. Yeah, my charts are actually, I just tried to pull up AMD, and I'm not getting anything. Luckily, I have Webull, and Webull can kind of watch stuff too. Alright, so it kind of is working. CGIX though. Making a little bit of money with AMD on just a little bounce. I'm still waiting for the crossover play. We got to get it to set up though. We need TTOO. We need TRVN. We need one of those to push up. Still waiting for something to happen here. BRQS maybe, but it's a little bit too late. Yeah, BRQS recently broke up and just ripped up, got halted on the way up, broke pre-market highs too. So BRQS just ripped. Yeah, it's probably because they front you the money. Social, so like if you have a margin account and you deposit money, they'll credit you immediately, right? But if it rejects that payment, you're gonna get hit with a charge, which is understandable. That's pretty standard, I think. All right, I'm probably gonna get out of AMD here. How am I holding 50 shares? Did I accidentally click the sell button? I mean, usually halts like that are a good thing. Not always. Usually they're a good thing. So like usually they're beneficial for the person stuck in the halt. Like most of the time you're gonna see a gap up from a halt like this on BRQS. Not always though. Sometimes you're gonna see a gap. There is a percentage of the time where it's gonna gap down, but I would say usually they gap up in these situations. And so you're probably in a good position, but I'm not 100% sure. And with halts, worst case scenario can happen. You might just get a rip down, and that's a plausible outcome as well. You never really know with halts. But most of the time when you get halted like this for BRQS got halted breaking pre-market highs at 158. Usually it's a really strong halt and it's going to gap up some. But again, that's not always necessarily the case. ATIF showing up on the scanners now. ATIF. Yeah, I gotta get out of AMD here. $13 loss, $12 loss, very small. Nothing really set up for this today though. It sucks. Maybe TTOO, but we don't have much time left. Yeah, like I said, you seem okay. You'll probably be alright with BRQS. But there is a small percentage chance that it's going to just rip down. And so, you know, be ready for it, but you'll probably be alright, I think. And I'm not seeing anything. We had ATIF. Nothing quite setting up yet, unfortunately. Like I said, let me know if you see anything. ATIF ripping up, but not really what I was hoping for there. AMD's pushing up a little bit. I'm making a little bit of money here. I'm gonna get out half. Oh, I bought more. Oh no, what did I do? Great. I didn't realize what I did. I bought more. I was trying to cover the position. I'm so used to shorting. Alright, what's half of this? 125, I guess. Gotta sell it this time. Alright, so you'll probably resume now. This minute you'll probably resume. There you go. Yeah, there you are. Alright, you resumed. You gapped up a little bit. Alright, I just sold half of my position on AMD. Alright, I got out about a $30 gain there for AMD. I caught the bounce. With BRQS, you got halted again. Or it looks like you're pushing up. You might get halted again. But yeah, usually you're good with these type of halts. You just gotta be careful. So there's BRQS, you're at 180. So yeah, like I said, you'll probably be good with these type of halts. Not always though, but you're usually okay with them. Still waiting here. I don't know what else I can find. Nothing set up really though. All these penny stocks just ended up just failing. ATIF ripping up, breaking highs. We're at 190s now. ATIF at about 190s. Yeah, CGIX. I mean, there was just nothing for my specific setup for CGIX. Here's CGIX. Big rips up. A lot of moves. Same thing with ATIF. Same thing with BRQS. I'm not sure, Wilton. It depends, brother. Nothing yet. Alright, so I'm in Webull, 250 shares, or AMD. We're just going to see if we get a pop up here. Get out pretty soon if we can't. BRQS still pushing up here. The BRQS is ripping up now. Well, AMD's looking weak. Probably gonna have to get out. It might bounce here too, but just too risky there. You know, we're still looking for penny stock patterns, but I don't see anything right now. Still waiting on a few of these, but I'm not seeing anything. I'm watching IBIO, watching TRBN, I'm watching TTOO, but nothing yet. I'm looking for a little bit of a mix of everything, but we're not seeing anything right now. Any penny stock, like the penny stock patterns that are setting up right now, I just don't like them. We'll see, but I just don't like anything right now. Just kind of waiting. ATIF breaking up and breaking highs. IBIO starting to rebound a little bit. So maybe IBIO. CGIX is still dropping down. ATIF is still breaking highs. You can see it's up to 202. I could try to trade it, you know. The only one that really kind of looks good is IBIO, but we gotta wait for it. Alright, IBIO maybe is the one that I might be looking at penny stocks, but again, I'm not really seeing anything yet. Maybe IBIO if we get the crossover here. It's still 5 minutes late. It's outside of my system. It's not really the strategy I'm trying to implement, to be honest, but we'll see, you know. But we're watching for it for IBIO. Maybe if we can get it, maybe, you know. Alright, we kind of getting the crossover here. Watching for this one. IBIO starting to rip here over 201. Looks okay. Crossover play just happened. Alright, I'm in with 100 shares here. We'll give this one a little bit of time. I'm also in AMD here with 50 shares left. Just trying to let this work a little bit. AMD's breaking lows here, so we're making some money now for this one. Here we go. Alright, so yeah, I'm only down 20 bucks on the day. I made a little bit of money for it. AMD breaking lows right now. I'll give IBIO a little bit to work. making a little bit more money. I caught the bounce in AMD here. Trying to switch over to green on the day in mid and high caps. Catching the AMD breakdown here. I don't mind adding a little bit more to this one too if we get a pop up. This one I can hold through. It's a small trade. I can try to give it time to work. Alright, there's AMD breakdown. Nice. 70s. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get out the rest there. So I'm up on the day. Caught the AMD breakdown there. Caught it on, jumped in on a little bounce. AMD still dropping, looking super weak. CNSP is pushing now. CNSP. Thinkorswim still a little behind. CNSP showing up on the scanners. Nothing too crazy right there though. Still watching IBIO. I'm in with 50 shares of AMD here, just a little trade. I'm going to try to add to it on these bounces up and try to take advantage of tests of 83.50. So if I can continue to add to this one, that's fine. That's all I'm trying to do. Alright, I added in a little bit more. I'm in with 100 shares of AMD now. Yeah, my Thinkorswim has been giving me issues too, honestly. Alright, I'm in with 150 shares. Trying to add to this one up to 84 and use the profit I've already made. Yeah, I mean, I make money on AMD, that's the thing, you know. I'm trying to catch the volatility here from it, that's all I'm trying to do. Alright, I'm still in this one, IBIO. We'll see what happens. I'm in AMD too. But like I said, I was just trying to scale in up to the $84 level and see if that level rejects. See if we get a move down here. Still holding IBIO as well. we're at 90s. Like I said, I'm in AMD. We're gonna have to get out of this one soon. I'm just trying to use the profit I built up to make a little bit, but I can jump out if it starts to break 84. Yeah, I wasn't expecting it to go this high, unfortunately. Yeah, I just got out there. $40 loss is small. We'll see if we find anything else to jump into. I'm still holding this one with like 100 shares. I could add a little bit to it if I want, but we're just not moving up past that level that I initially wanted, unfortunately. Hey, nice, Onyx. Yeah, no worries, brother. Alright, so here's the move. This is good. So we got the crossover. We broke over 2. We just need to see if it holds support there. Very tight risk in this one. We're in AMD. We're going to take half off there. Still riding this one up. Holding both of these. Small though. Not really loving anything now. See if we can hold support at $2. That would be ideal, and we can let this one work a little bit longer. Yeah, the crossover play was way down here, but we're still trying to break highs, so it's still fine. I'm also in AMD still. I gotta take half off of here. We're still getting a rip up here. See if we can break pre-market highs and get enough to where I can sell. I could probably hold the rest pretty close to break even too. With AMD, we're about break even too. Not a bad rejection off of the whole dollar here, but I mean, we're pushing here for IBIO. We're making moves, you know. Yeah, I just got out here. Break even in mid and high caps. We'll probably jump back in. I don't know. Just pushed up a lot. We'll take half off there and then just ride the 50 shares up and see if we break highs and you know, continue here. Just a small win. I'll take it if it's a win. Alright, I'm still in IBIO. It'll probably be break even, I'm guessing. It'll be fine either way. AMD, same thing, probably break even. Same thing for AMD, just maybe got a little bit too overzealous with the profit. Yeah, Thinkorswim is broken every day for the last week and a half. It didn't really break for me that much today, though. So I can't say it was that bad for me today, but... yeah, people are still having issues. It's pretty bad. I mean, the crossover worked here too. I'm just not, it's just a small range. I need a bigger sizing. You know, so like it worked, but it's just small range stock. About break even. Trying to let AMD do its thing, but just kind of holding out for it, waiting for IBIO. Yeah, I mean, we're pretty easy right now, guys. Like I said, you want to help support your boy here, y'all go check out Webull. Webull, if you sign up, which means you link your bank account, you can't just make a bunch of fake emails. But if you sign up and actually link your bank account, you get a free stock just for doing so. If you deposit $100 after that, you get another free stock. And so for free, by just linking your bank account, you get free stocks. Last week I got AMT, which is like a $250 stock. I don't think that's very common. But if you want to roll the dice, try to get a free stock. They do have free paper trading platforms as well. Zero commission stock and options trading and a lot of other dope stuff. And so y'all go check out Webull. Great way to help support your channel, the channel here. I've been sick lately. You want to help me feel better? Y'all go check out Webull. There's the link. And so yeah, IBIO worked. A little bit late for the setup, but not late enough to where it's not going to be viable, I think. Such a small trade, but I think I got to kind of slowly get my way back into the rhythm. I'm in the process of switching platforms right now as it is. Here's AMD. See if we can really break down here. Alright, we're gonna get out here. Probably gonna get out here too. Alright, we just got out. Small little win, but a win nonetheless. And like I said, we got out of AMD too, so we're green on the day. Kind of a slow day, break-even day right now. Nothing looks great. IBIO crossover worked still. Here's the crossover right here. Just had to hold it a little bit longer, but once we get those red to green setups, I feel like they're solid. But there's the crossover right there. So right here is roughly where I got in. Wrote it up really nicely. It was a really nice indicator of that strength that it usually shows, so not too bad. Why is Webull better than Robinhood? I mean, in my subjective opinion, Webull has actual real platform. It's like candlestick charts. You can throw indicators up there. It's got just a better platform. You get news, you get candlestick charts. I can put my moving averages from the moving average strategy I used on. But again, just my own opinion. No, most of the time, Kyle, it's just I'm attacking in the first 15 minutes. So yeah, most of the time it's just the first 15 minutes and that's it. Maybe I could have held on to IBIO a little bit, but I'll take my money. It's still pushing up though. MU is doing the same thing. I'm in AMD with a small position here. I'm really just looking to see if we break down under these lows. And I can add into this maybe a little bit and try to catch like a 83.50 test. Yeah, see, IBIO is up to 222, so the crossover play certainly works there. It certainly works. Yeah, it's up to 27, so maybe I should have held IBIO there. But hey, green is good. I'll take my green position. It's fine. I'm gonna give this one more second over 89, so I'll get out. Yeah, there's 0 commissions on Webull too. Yeah, there's no commissions there. And like I said, there's free paper trading on Webull as well. I gotta get out of this. But yeah, there's free paper trading here. If you want to check out Webull, I got you. Check out this link. If you link your bank account, you get a free stock just for doing so. Also, y'all can go check out our 2 Discords. We have our very own Discord, where we got a lot of good traders hanging out there every single day talking about the big movers and pre-market. So y'all go check out our pre-market chat. I'm just going to title this one BT Discord, and then y'all go check out my boy Trader Mike's Discord as well. Super active penny stock Discord. It's really the reason I got back involved trading these penny plays. And so if y'all want to check out Trader Mike's, I'll post this link here too. Man, see, IBIO is still pushing up, so it looks like it was the right move there. We got a little bit of a range here too. I could add into this one up to 26, I think. So I'm in this, like I said, I don't mind adding up into this one up to 26 and then using that level there at like 30 or 35 as a risk. And we got that right there. That's what we're really watching. Probably gonna get out. We push it up too fast. We're testing the top of that range. I can still let AMD do it, but I gotta be careful. And every day last week was green, trading these mid and high cap stocks, and so every day is not going to be green, unfortunately. Yeah, we got to get out there. $50 down on the day, very small. We'll see if we find anything else. Every day last week was green. Like I said, I think every day. Monday might have been red, but been very green lately in the Toro account, and so we'll see what we get, but nothing too crazy right now. IBIO. I mean, IBIO is just squeezed down. I mean, here's the thing with IBIO. It's up a ton, and so people are going to start taking profits, which is why I don't hold it for that long, you know. I made money with IBIO. I got in IBO way back here, man. I mean, people were still telling me I chased it right here, but whenever stock's below the opening range, I don't think it's a chase. I think it's pretty, like when a stock does this, right? Here's the opening range high right here. So like the opening high is at 201. I got in this one at like 97 or 98 cents. So I got into this one like right here. I think people were telling me I chased here too, but I don't consider it that because I think if a stock is red on the day, then you're not chasing it, you know. You're just trying to take advantage of a surge in momentum in the opposing direction. That's all it was. The stock dropped down as it moved up and began getting closer to this previous high of the day right here, which is also where it pivoted back to this $2 level. Then that's really what I'm attacking on when I jump in here. So I got in here, was able to ride it up way up here, so I made a decent amount from relative to the sizing. Alright team, so what do y'all want to do? Yeah, nothing looks good right now, honestly. It's kind of a boring day. It's probably one of the most boring Mondays I've seen. It's surprising how slow today is. IBIO is pulling back, but nothing too crazy on it yet. I made a little bit of money on AMD, still holding this one. Watching IBIO, like I said, I don't see anything that looks good right now. It's kind of slow. Yeah, I got out of there. Man, I keep accidentally buying 25 shares of AMD. IBIO pulling back some. I'm not gonna like anything else until it really breaks the pre-market high, which I think we did get here, but we didn't actually hold, unfortunately. So like we broke the pre-market high, we didn't actually hold here. Hey, I appreciate the sub. Y'all be like Jamal. Hit that subscribe button, guys. If y'all want to make me feel better, you guys know I've been sick lately. If you want to make me feel better, hit that subscribe button. Everybody's doing it, guys. We do it live every day for free. Hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it. If you do, show support for the free content we put out every day. Like I said, sorry if I'm not super energetic today, guys. Still not feeling 100% yet. By overcovering, I overcovered the position. I think I had like 25 shares left. I had to buy a little bit more. Or when I tried to cover the position, I bought a little bit extra is what happened. But yeah, it's on my challenge account regardless. My Toro challenge account, which I've explained a bunch. If you guys want to be in the Toro challenge, y'all can. But that's what me trading AMD is. It's a challenge account. So I'm trying to make $1,500 in profit so they'll fund me. Do it now. Yeah. And like I said, on the challenge account, I was green every day last week, I think. Not 100% sure. I'm pretty sure, though. I'm pretty sure I was close to green every single day last week. So I finally got the hang of scalping. If I could just kind of reel in penny stocks a little bit better, then I would be doing okay. Last few weeks, I'm green in penny stocks. Like I said, I think I showed my graph. all the way up until where Thinkorswim started to cause me to lose here. I'm still green though on Thinkorswim trading these penny stocks. No, it's not COVID. I think it's Meniere's disease. Is really what it says. I don't think it's blue light glasses. I'm pretty sure it's Meniere's disease. It happens regardless of whether I work or not. And so like it happens regardless of what I do, really. Alright, so I made a little bit on Nvidia. I appreciate it. Yeah, I think it's Meniere's disease. I'm not 100% sure though. I don't know what it is. It's just vertigo, nausea, stomach issues, GI issues. I'm on omeprazole, which is supposed to help, but you know, doesn't. Not quite. BRQS2. We also got CATB. BRQS is trying to rip up and break highs. It's not really my style though. None of it really has to do with my system here. Yeah, I appreciate it. I appreciate the thought. I'm in Nvidia again, trying to scale out of this too. We're gonna get out there, about break even again, but kind of going back and forth here. I'm shorting Nvidia now. BRQS, if you like penny stocks, is starting to rip up and break highs though. So we are getting some moves in BRQS. Nah, I mean, I put out the message on YouTube that it's not that I'm not going to be trading this week, it's that I'm sick, and so I haven't been able to put out videos the past week. I've been trading every day. Trading's easy, streaming's easy. I can start the stream up. Making those videos is what really takes the work out of me. And like I said, I'm usually on the videos. I can usually put out at least 2 a week, but I've been sick, and so it just hadn't quite been like that. PIXY, a lot of people talking about PIXY, some news that just came in with it. We'll see, it's still down, I mean. Back in Nvidia here. Alright, I'm in, or I got out. So I'm actually green on the day now slightly, but I'm trying to take advantage of Nvidia and AMD. trying to keep it a little bit easy, guys. I haven't been able to work as much, so just bear with me. Like I said, you guys know me. Usually I'm putting out a lot of videos. Haven't been able to do it. Just been chilling. Not doing any videos. Just kind of, I can do this live stream and I can trade and get a few trades in. But like as for weekend videos and stuff like that, I just haven't been able to do anything. Just because it's hard to make a video when your head's spinning, you know. SONN. Yeah, we're alright. I'm probably going to close it down soon. I'm just not seeing too much right now. Making a little bit of money again with Nvidia. Alright, I got out. Still green. Called Nvidia's breakdown here. I gotta start trading Nvidia a lot more, that's what I'm realizing, but I'm gonna go ahead and hang it up for the day, guys. I'm still not feeling the hottest. Good luck in the markets, guys. Like I said, you want to help support your channel, you want to help support your boy here, y'all go check out Webull. If you sign up and link your bank account, you get a free stock. If you deposit $100, you get another free stock. Just by signing up, you're not going to get the free stock, because that way you could just kind of create a bunch of fake email addresses, and like obviously they're not going to let you do that. But just by signing up and linking your bank account, I should clarify, you get a free stock just for doing so. It's got free paper trading. They gifted everybody free level 2. It's just a dope platform. It's got candlestick charts. You can get a margin or cash account, trade in pre-market, after hours, 0 commission. Like I said, free paper trading. You get a free stock. If you haven't done it yet, you might as well roll the dice, see if you get yourself a free stock. There's the link. Help support your boy here. Y'all go check it out. Get some free stocks on me. You can also check out the Toro Challenge, which is it's a subscription-based challenge account. And like the way it works is, you can pay monthly. It's $2.99 a month, but they refund you once you actually complete the challenge. And the challenge is you got to make $1,500 in profit while following the rest of their rules. But again, they refund you once you actually complete the challenge. There's a lot of good stuff that comes with it. And if you pay quarterly, it's only like $160 a month. And so I think in that regard, it makes a lot of sense. Here's the link if you want to check it out. Good luck in the markets, guys. We'll see you guys next time. Remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Sorry, I've been a little bit slow the last few weeks. Good luck in the markets, guys, and we'll see you all later. Have a good day. I love you all. Have a good day. I appreciate all the kind words. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Later, team.